Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up and use Protonmail. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and search for Protonmail. From the search result, tap on the first option as shown here and you will be redirected to the official page of Protonmail. From here, you need to tap on Create a free account on the top right. Now you will see different plans to create a Protonmail account. For now, I will select Get Proton for free. You need to set up your account by filling up your details. And after you are done, tap on Create Account. Here, you need to provide your email address and then tap on Get Verification Code. Now, put on the 6-digit code that was sent to your email and then tap on Verify. And as you can see, the account is created. Now you need to choose a display name for your account, and on the next page you need to put on a recovery email along with a phone number. And after it is done, tap on Save Selected. Now you will be directed to the home page of your account and you will see a pop-up welcoming you to Protonmail. After that, you can select a theme for your account. After that, you will see different options including inbox, drafts. You can also tap on new message in order to send a message to someone. In the inbox section, you will see the mails that was sent to you. And on the sent section, you will see the emails sent by you to others. You can also tap on settings from the top and rearrange your settings by your liking. So basically that is how you can use Protonmail after signing up.